What's the meaning of beginner? Beginner. Beginner.
Beginner. Beginner. The term beginner refers to someone who is new to a particular activity or subject and has little or no experience or knowledge about it. It is commonly used in the context of learning a new skill or undertaking a new hobby. Beginners are often characterized by their lack of familiarity with the terminology, techniques, and tools involved in the activity, as well as their inability to perform tasks proficiently. However, being a beginner is not a negative thing. It is simply a starting point on the journey of developing expertise and mastery. With practice, patience, and guidance, beginners can progress to become skilled practitioners in their field of interest.